My name is Courtney. I'm a licensed esthetician, and I'm going to show you how I use the Jade Roller Kit by Conair. It comes with 4 different attachments that you can use, but today I'm focusing on using the larger gua sha stone attachment. Powering the device on, it has a light, gentle vibration, which I love, starting at the back of the neck using firm pressure. Moving in an upward direction, even as I come to the side of the neck, I'm using firm pressure here. With each movement, use 4 to 5 reps. Coming to the top of the shoulder, moving up towards the ear, use medium pressure. As you come to the décolleté, moving up the neck, towards the jaw, the cheek, use light feather-like strokes. So using light pressure here as you work around the face, really just focusing on using the weight of the stone. You can use the larger side of the stone to contour the jaw or the smaller side, whichever you prefer. And as you come to the side of the neck to move the lymph down towards the collarbone and out towards the shoulder, you can repeat that movement as much as you would like. Return back to it at the end of your gua sha routine. Contouring around the lips, under the under eye area, around the cheek, the crow's feet. Moving slowly, moving intuitively, it should feel good. Crawling the stone up the forehead and using it to wiggle back and forth on the forehead as well to soften the forehead area. I really hope this helps.